Hello everybody, and welcome back to our next video and our last of the week, which is Friday. Woo! That means tomorrow is Saturday and it is the weekend. Now, I know that it probably has been feeling like the weekend every single day, but that's why Miss Hannah does these videos, so it kind of helps keep us a routine of which is the weekdays and which one is the weekends. Also, for me to keep in routine to make me feel like I'm still at work, and then I have the weekend, and then when I go back to work on Monday, so that way we can get started with a brand new week of videos. Okay, so since this week is farm animals, we are going to briefly talk about what kinds of farm animals are there and how many, and then we'll move on to our math activity. So I have this poster that has some farm animals on it, and then we will count how many farm animals are there. So, we have the horse, a goat, cow, donkey. A donkey can be a farm animal too. Then we also have the sheep, pig, dog, like sheepdog, how we talked about. And then there's cats, which can be called barn cats if somebody says. Mainly just cats that live on a farm who live in barns, and that's mainly where they just reside live. Then we also have the rooster and the hens. A rooster is a boy, and then a hen is a girl. And hens lay the eggs that we get to eat for breakfast, or we use to make baking cakes, or we just have them to hatch other chickens. Then we have ducks, and then we also have a goose or geese. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different farm animals. That's pretty cool about how many farm animals they actually have on a farm. Now, I know that goat wasn't on here, but they're kind of like very similar to sheep. So, we can count that. Because some people have goats. They're not the same animal, but sometimes people either have goats or they have sheep. I know of one of my friends who has goats, and she showed me the cutest pictures of them. Oh my word. And then I also have a coworker of mine, you guys might know her and her kids, and she sent us pictures of their goats, which are adorable. I wish I could actually have my own goat. That would be very nice. All right, let's get started with our math activity. And then before we do, with our math, remember, each week we're going up on the tens. So this time we're going to count all the way from 1, and we're going to go to 40. So, are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Good job. And then next week we will count all the way up from 1 to 50. All right. Now let's get started with our math lesson of today. So, we're going to be doing math, and we're going to do addition. Now, last time we talked about subtraction, but this time we're going to do the addition, and it makes it look like in a different format on how it stands. So, usually when you do math, all right, so now let's get started with our math activity. So I have some farm animals, and we're going to be doing addition. Now last time we did subtraction, which means taking away, but this time we're going to be doing addition. But we're going to figure out one of the numbers. So here's how we'll start. So I have some pigs and I have some sheep. So let's say I have I have 5 pigs, but I don't know how many sheep I have, but I know I have 12 animals total. So this way I need to figure out how many sheep I have. So first we're going to do is we are going to do a dozens frame, like we did with the eggs for the animals. So I'm going to make 12 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 dots there. Now, if I know one of the animals I have is 5, I am going to take away 5 from my 12. So let's take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count how many dots I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7. So I have 5 pigs and 7 sheep. Now I know I have altogether 12 animals because I found out how many sheep I actually have. Awesome. All right. Let's do another one. I have cows and horses. So now, let's say I have altogether 12 animals, but I know I have 6 horses, but I don't know how many cows I have. So we're going to do our dozens frame like we did with our Easter eggs. And I'm going to make 12 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, another trick you guys can do if you want, and if it's easy for you to do, when you do this kind of math, what you could do is count back. Okay, so now let's count backwards. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So then I have 6 left. So that means I have 6 cows. Okay, so on this next one, I have rabbits and chickens. So let's try to do a bigger number and see what we can do. Let's say that I know that I have 15 animals all together, and I know I have 10 rabbits, but how many chickens do I have? So let's do our dots like we did with the other ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I have a bigger number than 12, so I'm going to go down. 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I have 15 animals all together, and I know I have 10 rabbits, so what we could do is, if you guys are able to, what we could do is we could just take 15 minus 10. That's basically what we're doing, is to figure out this addition problem is by taking away and figuring out what's in the empty spot. So, if you have 15 minus 10, what does it equal? Do you guys know? Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and go over here to my dots, and I'm going to take away 10 of them and see what I have left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 5 dots left. Did you guys guess 5? Well, pretty good. Some of you might have gotten it, some of you might not. But that's okay. That's why we practice our math, so we can get better. So I have 5 chickens. Awesome. All right. Now it is time for our next section, is the healthy tip of the day. So, last week we talked about what kinds of things are in milk that help you, and then what types of milk and how they're different, and if they like have too much sugar, or if they have enough protein. But today I'm going to be talking about what are things that you probably could eat in the morning for breakfast that could help you start your day off right. Now, some things that you can have for breakfast are eggs, yogurt, peanut butter, an apple. Those are some really good healthy items to have for breakfast. Now, are donuts a good idea to have for breakfast? No. Are Pop-Tarts a good idea to have for breakfast? No. Now, they're probably good on special occasions. Like, I know when I was a kid, only on Saturdays did we have donuts for breakfast. But sometimes if you have them every morning for breakfast, that can really hurt your stomach, and it could be really bad for you. So instead, try having some eggs, yogurt, peanut butter, or an apple for breakfast, and maybe save that donut or that Pop-Tart for Saturday morning for a special time. All right, now we're going to move on to playing hide and seek. Boo! Yes, it is time for hide and seek. Now, since this week is farm animals, I thought I'd bring out my friend Hoodwink the goat. Everyone say hi to Hoodwink. Now, I'm going to be hiding Hoodwink, and you guys are going to try to help me find him. So, let's get started. 10. Ready or not, here I come, Hoodwink. I bet he's underneath one of these pillows. No, not under the pillows. Maybe he's over here. Nope, not over here. Maybe he's over here. No, not over here. Where could that goat be? Do you guys know where Hoodwink's at? He's a very good hider. What's that? He's eating my flowers? Hoodwink! You're not supposed to eat those flowers. Goats really like to eat anything. Silly goat. Well, all right, let's get back to our cozy corner and finish up with some breathing exercises in different ways that you can calm yourself down. That was so fun playing hide and seek with Rudy today. I hope that you had fun as well. All right, so now for our last part of our video of today, We're going to be talking about what sounds are calming and can relax you. So instead, sometimes if you don't want to like just sit and breathe, or if you don't want to watch fish on your phone, or if you're out of ideas for doing something to help calm you down when you're angry or sad or worried, maybe something different can help you by listening to music. Now, I know that for a fact when I get upset, I like to listen to classical music. I know, it's weird, but it helps calms me down and it actually like makes me feel really relaxed. So those are one of the things that you guys can do is have your parent, your guardian or uncle, aunt, babysitter, grandma, grandpa, when you get upset and you just want to listen to some music instead, you can have them pull up some classical music like Beethoven. He's a favorite. He does some pretty good classical music that helps calms you down. Another option you can do are lullabies, like those soft, sweet songs that you listen to before you go to bed, or if you have someone sing to you. Like I know my nephew, he loves it when you sing him Amazing Grace before he goes to bed, and that is very calming to him. So that's something you guys can try is singing a song to yourself or ask someone to sing to you to help you calm down and sing a special lullaby. Another thing you can do is listen to nature sounds. Now, I know a lot of adults do this. They listen to raindrops, they listen to ocean waves, they listen to, what's another thing? Thunderstorms. They listen to just the ocean breeze. Things like that help calm you down and relax you. So maybe sometimes you guys can try listening to raindrops or ocean waves, or even just the sounds of birds chirping. Those kind of things can help calm you down too. And I know for me, when I need to get ready for bed, something to kind of help calm me down and relax me is rain sounds. Rain sounds are very calming and relaxing because for some reason, when it starts raining outside or it's even thunderstorming, when it's just pouring down rain outside, it makes me sleep very good. So, things you can do with music to help calm you down and relax you: listen to classical music, lullabies, or nature sounds. I hope you guys found this video enjoyable, and I hope the information I gave you was worthwhile and you'll be able to use it on your own, be initiative and take action for yourself, and being able to calm yourself down when you're upset, angry, or just when you're not feeling too good. And I hope you guys are at home being safe and healthy, and we can get through this together, and hopefully soon we'll be able to go back out and do our usual thing. And then I